I don't think I could do this sport if I was just a solo athlete and didn't have a group to train with and meet with and hold me accountable. My dad was a big part of my inspiration. Little Regan would be pretty excited to see what I'm doing now. I'm Regan Yee. I'm a professional runner for Under Armour Canada. This is where I train with my team Mission Run Dark Sky. So we're based up in Flagstaff mainly for the altitude. We're at 7,000 feet elevation here. It's obviously beautiful weather right now, great trails, great facilities. It's just like an ideal training location for distance runners.
I know I'm gonna have to. Perfect.
I'm from South Hazelton, BC, which is like a pretty remote town up in northern British Columbia. Always just loved being outdoors, loved sports. Running, I think I was always drawn to like the individual competitive nature of it. So as early as grade 3, I think, I was trying to get on to the elementary school run club for the older kids. I was just so like eager to be part of that club and that team. I've been on a few national teams at this point, and every time like putting on that Canada kit is just, it's a very special feeling. You're filled with excitement, you're filled with pressure. When you wear the Canada kit, you're competing for more than just yourself. You're competing for your country, your hometown, your friends and family. When I graduated from high school, I really wanted to go to the NCAA, but my parents thought otherwise, and they really liked Trinity Western. They thought it would be a supportive, great place for me to develop as an athlete and as a person. And yeah, sure enough, my parents, they knew what was best for me. I ended up staying there all 5 years for my athletic eligibility, loved it. Some of the best memories of my life were made at Trinity Western. And yeah, just incredibly glad that I ended up there.